Have you ever experienced dealing with a really dumb bot? Like, it just makes you want to pull your hair out, right? Well, I'm Anne-Marie Waltz, and one thing I can show you right now is if you're going to set up your conversational AI bots, or if you're even kind of hesitant about should I even use AI within my business, well, I can share with you confidently you can. And the reason why is the faster you can respond back to someone when maybe it's like a different time zone. And that's one instance. Maybe it's after hours. You don't want to lose the opportunity to provide customer service. So in this example, I'm just showing you that I'm setting up a new conversational bot. What you want to do is keep it very, very basic. And as far as it doesn't have to be this elaborate, over the top, we call it a prompt, right? You just give it simple instructions, such as your role is to help business owners understand how AI and automation can improve lead response, customer communication, follow up, appointment booking, and operational efficiency. And the thing that you want to do, I can tell you, because I actually use this within our family businesses as well as, my marketing agency, but I've been using it for a long time now, is that you can also shape it to have the same kind of conversational tone that you have. So if you're more direct, you can put that in there. If you want your AI to be a little witty, you can. And in this instance, you can see that I'm giving it an instructions for it to be conversational, intelligent, practical, helpful, clear, and business focused. And the one thing that I want this bot to do is to focus on faster lead response, reducing missed call opportunities, and as I just mentioned, after hours communication. Oh, and by the way, if you want to know more about this, you can just check out the link that's down below after you watch this video. And so then you can go on to then give it the type of conversation that you want. Are you setting this up for voice AI and the different features that actually are available with this particular AI that I can recommend to you? So with this particular build, what I'm doing is having it be able to answer questions for some different professions, because myself, I've been in the service industry when it comes to hair extensions for over 30 years. And we also own a auto repair garage. And so that's appointment based as well. So we know firsthand how important it is that, like, and you do too, if you want an answer, you want it now. And it's really important that somebody gets back to you, but you want somebody to get back to you or the business to respond in an intelligent way. So, for more information about this, if you have any questions, just drop them down in the comments below. I'll be happy to follow up. And again, if you are interested in taking this for a test drive, just grab yourself a free trial. There's no obligation.